This is nutmeg. You want to tell what's happening?
Yeah, the red arils on the outside need to be removed from the nutmeg seed in order for it to properly germinate. And the red arils, once dried, actually become the spice called mace. So I'm just separating the red arils from the nutmeg seed. Oh wow, this is beautiful. So here's the nutmeg seed without anything on it. But if you have it very fresh, you can just soak it for a couple hours and then stick it in the ground. And it takes a while before it sprouts, up to a month. And so what we're gonna do with this is we're just gonna lay it out and let it dry and then grind it in a powder to use for cooking.
I believe it has to dry for a couple weeks, yeah?
We'll see.
That's what they said.